Welcome to my virtual open house of Manchester Drive.
Open plan concept with brand new laminate flooring, ceiling to floor windows, and this beautiful balcony with lovely unobstructed views. Open plan concept, very modern, kitchen with stainless steel appliances, washer dryer. This is the second bedroom that goes onto the balcony, and it has a full bathroom. Also could be used for guests with a powder room. The master bedroom is also lovely, bright, and very large. The furniture items that you see, as well as the television, are included in the price. Lots of cupboard space over here and a nice ensuite bathroom as well. This lovely condominium building is concrete, and it has an outdoor swimming pool, an outdoor hot tub, an indoor hot tub, and as well as a fitness center, and it has tennis courts as well. The property is lovely, rentals allowed, and right on Lougheed SkyTrain.
Thank you for joining me on today's open house